Question 1. Which of the following best describes the mechanism by which IgE mediates type 1 hypersensitivity? A. Activation of complement via classical pathway. B. Binding to macrophage Fc receptors and promoting phagocytosis. C. Cross-linking on basophils and mast cells, triggering histamine release. D. Binding to pathogens in mucosal secretions. E. Presentation of antigens to CD8 plus T cells. Correct answer: C. Cross-linking on basophils and mast cells, triggering histamine release. Explanation: IgE binds to FcRI receptors on mast cells and basophils. Upon exposure to the specific allergen, IgE becomes cross-linked, triggering the release of histamine and other mediators. This is the core of type 1 hypersensitivity, e.g. anaphylaxis, allergic rhinitis. Why the others are incorrect? A. IgE does not fix complement, unlike IgM, IgG. B. IgG is the main opsonizing antibody, not IgE. D. IgA protects mucosal surfaces, not IgE. E. Antigen presentation is an MHC-mediated T-cell function, not related to IgE. Question 2. A 5-year-old boy develops wheezing and urticaria minutes after eating peanuts. Which immunoglobulin is most directly responsible for his symptoms? A. IgA, B. IgG, C. IgE, IgD. Correct answer: C. IgE. Explanation: the immediate hypersensitivity reaction type 1 following allergen exposure is mediated by IgE, which causes mast cell degranulation and release of histamine, leukotrienes, etc. Why the others are incorrect? A. IgA mucosal defense. B. IgG opsonization, complement activation. D. IgM's first responder but not involved in allergic reactions. E. IgD's membrane receptor with unclear function. Question 3. A parasitic worm infection leads to marked eosinophilia in a patient. Which immunoglobulin is primarily responsible for coordinating this response? A. IgA, B. IgG, C. IgM, IgD. E. IgE. Correct answer: E. Explanation: IgE binds to eosinophils and facilitates recognition of helminths, parasitic worms. This triggers eosinophilic degranulation, which is crucial for antiparasitic defense. Why the others are incorrect? A. IgA equals mucosal immunity. B. IgG complement opsonization. C. IgM equals early response complement activator. D. TAR. IgD equals B cell surface marker.